Hello everyone. Now I'm here to share something about how we can generate electricity from human beings. We all may wonder that how this is possible, but with the current developments in the field of science and technology, everything is possible, and even electricity generation from human beings was also possible. Let's see what are the methods available. Uh, at this moment, we have to know a little fact about ourselves that the human body at any given moment produces energy equivalent to a 100-watt light bulb. So we all fascinated to know this fact. Even you, myself, and everybody in the world, our body generates about 100 watt, the energy equivalent to 100-watt light bulb. Uh, there are some ways we can use the body to generate electricity. Some of the methods are blood flow and our footsteps and the exercise we do, and with the help of our body heat and also urine and feces. By all these methods, we can generate electricity from ourselves. First, we shall see how we can use our blood flow to generate electricity. I hope that uh, all of you know about hydropower electricity and its principle. It is nothing but the flow of water is used to run the turbines, and it is used to generate electricity. The same concept is being applied here. A team of Swiss researchers are showing the world a promising glimpse of the future. Though all these methods are not available currently, uh, but they are used in a small scale. In future, all these going to play a major role. Micro turbines implanted in human arteries. You might not hear this, but I don't know whether all you know about this or not. But micro turbines work like hydroelectric power plant, in which the micro turbines, by using the flow of bloodstream, the micro turbines are used to generate electricity. The turbines generate about 800 microwatts of power. The 800 microwatts power is far more needed to run a pacemaker. Pacemaker is nothing but a small device which is kept under the chest to control the heartbeat. It is a small device used in medical field. Our By using the blood flow method, we can generate electricity pacemaker to run a pacemaker. The heart produces around 1 or 1.5 watts of hydraulic power. Then today the micro turbines use cases are limited to all these micro turbines are used only to a limited extent, powering blood pressure sensors, drug delivery pumps, and neurostimulators, all of which need a power source. In future, the possibilities are more outlandish. As I said, all these are now at a starting stage. By in future, all these will play a major role. You can see the image in which pacemaker is placed in the chest, and electrodes are connected. By the help of bloodstream, electricity is generated by the micro turbines. Implantable pacemaker. And with the help of footsteps, how can we generate electricity? We know we all walk a lot, right? So some thought that why not capture that energy to generate electricity. That's the thought behind PaveGen. That is a startup company that wants its footstep powered tiles to become the way of the future. They designed the tiles in which we when we walk over there, it uses our efforts, or it uses our footsteps to generate electricity. One footstep on the tiles can produce 1 to 7 watts of power. It is a new innovation from them. It is enough electricity to light up a street LED for 30 seconds, according to PaveGen. For PaveGen, the use of its tiles extends beyond renewable energy. We all know that if we use these tiles in our houses, or even in our gardens or lawns, it will be very useful in reducing the other sources of electricity, and it will be more useful than renewable energy. So we can move forward, or we can look forward into this technology in future by using footsteps. The startup behind this is PaveGen, and many startups are and many companies are trying to uh, develop more and more innovative ideas to convert our efforts or many other techniques to develop electricity eco-friendly manner. You can see the tiles. And next method is by doing exercise. We, not most of us, but generally all do exercise, right? And giving manpower a whole new meaning. That startups like Green Revolution and Human Dynamo are making exercise more eco-friendly by rigging machines to produce electricity. By treadmill or some other bicycling equipments, like those equipments are used to generate electricity. The average man can produce between 50 and 150 watts in an hour. A top level cyclist, that is an professional cyclist, can generate over 400 watts over the same period. So normal man or us can produce about 50 to 150 watts in an hour, but top level cyclist can generate 400 watts over the same period. So we can provide them money to generate electricity. Also, this will pave the way for them to do as a job. Machines used are stationary bicycles, elliptical trainers, and steppers, etc. These are the machines used to generate electricity. Startups like Rerev and Green Revolution, etc. are using this technology. Then, with the help of body heat, researchers at several prominent institutions are developing wearable fabric in which we wear inner wears like material that can generate electricity. David Carroll, a physics professor, created PowerFelt. The fabric name is PowerFelt. That is a flexible fabric that can both conduct electricity and provide thermal insulation. PowerFelt was intended to capture body heat and reuse it to charge phones. By using this fabric, we can charge our mobile phones by our body heat itself. A body produces 100 to 120 watts of power and might be able to get 1 or 2 watts of power. That's enough to start running electronics like cell phones and things of that nature. Like cell phones or some other gadgets, we can use our body heat to charge that thing. So when we run out of charge, we can use our own body heat. By wearing that fabric PowerFelt, we can charge our phones and use instantly. You can see the fabrics. And we might wonder how, with the help of urine and feces, we can develop electricity. There are techniques. There are few promising energy uses for human waste. Human feces can be digested at bioreactor to release biogas. According to Chinese researchers who have developed a toilet that helps produce fertilizer and electricity. They have developed a toilet which converts our feces and urine to produce fertilizer and electricity. The fertilizer can be used as a good manure to crops, and they also can be used to generate electricity. There's also a way to use human urine to generate electricity. A research team led by Dr. Ioannis Leropoulos has developed a microbial fuel cell which runs on urine. He has developed a microbial fuel cell which is powered by our urine. The microbial fuel power stack generates power to enable SMS messaging, web browsing, and to make a brief phone call on a phone. These are the applications from urine and feces. You can see the method. As I told before itself, though electricity generation from human beings is limited at present, it will play a major role in future. Sure, it will play a major role. We may all use that fabric to charge our mobile phones with our own body heat, and by doing exercise or by walking, just by walking we can light up a LED bulb. We may all adapt to this techniques. So the electricity generation from human beings will play a major role in future. Hope you all understood. Just an overview. We have learned. We saw that how we can generate electricity from human beings. There are several methods. Some of them include with the help of blood flow and body heat, and with the help of footsteps, and by doing exercise, and lastly with the help of our feces and urine. Hope you all understood. Thank you.